All right, guys, it's time for some STEM fun here on Living Oklahoma.
Earlier this week on Mad Science, we talked all about balance. So for our Friday finale, our mad scientists are sharing another experiment to help us get even more even.
Get even more even, right?
Whatever.
So we're going to check in with our chief meteorologist, Jeff George. Talking about.
Good morning, everybody. Professor Matt and Professor Miles this morning are going to show us some more about balance. Guys, it seems a little bit too early in the morning to do something like this, but I know you can do it. Take it away.
How am I supposed to balance one of these onto this?
Well, no, it's not that I want you to balance one of those on that. I want you to balance all of those on that at the same time.
What?
Jeremy can do it. He was just telling me.
Sure, he can.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I noticed a little bit earlier you were able to make that one balance. Okay. Almost. You want me to show you?
Wait, I think I know how to do it.
Okay, there. That's not going to work. It's got to be on top. Okay, here we go. Watch this. Okay, we'll put this over here. I'm going to lay this one down this way. Okay, and then this one like that. And then this one like that. And then like that. And see, I'm kind of weaving back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you know what I'm doing? I'm making them even, symmetrical. So there's going to be the same on this side as on that side. So you can see there's 3 coming out this way and 3 going over that way. And then I've got 1 facing that way and 1 facing the other way. Now watch this.
There's no way that this works.
There's no way that this works. Pull this over a little bit. Jeremy showed me. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to take this and lift it up like this and set it right there, like that.
You've got to be kidding me.
And the reason it works is because you can see there's weight equally on both sides and on both ends. So it's balanced in the middle. Pretty cool. Watch this. See, I can even move it a little bit. Awesome. You do it, it's going to fall. Pretty cool. Okay, you want to see something else? Okay, I'm going to knock it off probably as I push it over that way.
Nope.
There. Okay, I didn't. Okay, now this is something you can do at home. Okay, get a cup, right?
Okay.
Get weights, so the cup will stay up. 2 forks and a quarter, or in this case, a washer. Sorry, okay? In this case, a washer. So what I'm going to do is try and balance that on the edge like that.
I have an idea.
And it's hard. Have an idea? Yeah, that'll work. Okay. No, not like that. It fell out. Here, watch this. You were close though. Take a fork and put it there. Take another fork and put it there. And then we'll put this right on the edge, like, hang on. Like that. Okay? Now wait. Let me turn it around so they can see it at home. Okay?
But
we're going to put it right here on the edge.
how does that even help it?
He's saying, why does it work that way? And if I can get it to do it one more time, then I'll show you. This is really cool. So this is what I'm going to do. Put it right here. Like that. It didn't work. Hang on. Here we go. There. Check this out. Okay. Now the way it helps it is because it's moving that center of gravity, the center of where it's going to balance, just the same way we did over there, and it's pushing it back there. So you got 3 points that it's centering on. That's what we got for you today. How cool is that? From the Mad Science Lab.
Nope.
Guys, you are awesome. It is so hard to balance anything so early in the morning, but if anyone can do it, I knew you guys could. So please join us again for way more Mad Science fun.
Oh man, tons of fun. We always love that segment. We'll be back again Monday at 9:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday.
Yeah, and again, be sure to set those DVRs because you do not want to miss a minute of all these great experiments that you can do with your family at home.